trimming pine trees because last year before Eid we trimmed this one, so it's already 1 year had passed, so it's not good to this one, so must be we have to trim now. And this Eid last March 31, so already 1 year had passed, so it's time to trim again. From there, from how many pine trees there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one it's already dry because when tractor come here, then it's tractor come here in this one. That's why it's already dry. But it's okay. It will become again. It will be okay again. So how many now there? And we have also rose here. This one also rose. Yan. Ito yung mga pine trees namin dito. And as you can see, these grasses before last autumn and winter, all these grasses dried. Now it's coming out again because it's spring season, and some flowers coming out by self. You see these flowers, especially this yellow. This is flowers of dandelion, this yellow. And this one, white, I don't know this one. This is wild flowers from grasses. This one also. One already finished. Now another 3 up again of pine trees. Nice weather for today. It's still early, 7:25 a.m. and today is April 12 and today is Saturday. So as you can see, surrounded with pine, many kind of trees, pine trees, and this kind of trees. This is, we call it here seda. And this kind of trees, many kind of trees. This one, last autumn and winter, these all trees are bulb. Also these plums, these peach, apricots, and many other kind of trees. Last autumn and winter, these all are bulb. Except this pine trees, remain lang yan siya na ano, may trees, may ano leaves. Yan. And also this tree of walnuts. Kalbo din ito noon autumn at saka winter. Ayan, ito yung ano, tree ng walnut. We have one tree of walnut here, and we have also over there, but it's still small. This is also tree of walnut. Yan. Ito, maliit pa. Oh. Ayan. And I have also lemongrass. Now it's coming out again. Ayan. Oh. Lemongrass. Barani kung sa Ilocano. And then, tanglad. Ayan. Ayan. And this kind of, before I think 5 days ago, I have this video. Only this one. What you call this? This, I have video before only this one before. Ayan. Ayan, malalaglag na yan. So, nalalaglag. Ayan. And then after 1 week now, it will be some many leaves are coming out now. Yan, oh. Naglaglagan na yung mga yung mga flowers niya. And then after that will become all leaves. And then magbunga na ito ng walnut. Inshallah maraming bunga ito ngayon. Itong walnut. Hmm. Malamig yung hangin. Because still early, even uh, at daytime, mga around 1 o'clock, 2 p.m. Still dito, still malamig pa rin kasi yung hangin, yung simoy ng hangin. Kasi maraming mga puno, yan oh. Pag mahangin, yan. Ito bali yung mga pinaka fresh air namin, yung hangin. Kasi maraming mga puno. Yan. Hindi mainit dito sa aking lugar, pero compare sa other places dito sa Pakistan nationwide, sobrang init na ngayon. Ngayong kahit ngayong spring, pero mas lalo na pag summer, sobrang init na. Hindi sila mabubuhay na hindi sila gagamit ng cooler, air condition o kaya ceiling fan o table fan. Pero dito sa aking lugar, we never use even fan or anything. Only just natural air. It's nice to see now because it's already trimmed. So this already finished, done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the biggest. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this is the smallest. We have 14 pine trees. So how many more? This one. Only this one. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 more left because this one no need to trim this one because it's very small. This is the biggest. Yan. Tiger. It's necessary to put water also because by this time it's spring season, especially on summer it's hot, so must be need to put water here so it become more look beautiful and become more green, these pine trees. You see it's dry here, so must be need to put water after trimming, so must be put water. Or on not only for after trimming, must be need water also after 1 day 2 days like that. Ayan, oh. So this one must be we put here because it will become, if this dry become fertilizer like that. Yan. Yung pinagtriman lahat dito. Lagay dito sa puno para maging this also fertilizer when become dried.